Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat bakanet foodish, ordar mapi, ngin Wanrah mangi, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Menteri Rangba kejela, ula pentip baka Sorkar kan Siew bam manla Bnai ye kisamla Nongïalehkai sports kibala Wanrah takma leni ki medal nakabenta kejela hagirinsan Nongïalehkai baper lakalong hakathan chatay lamingi hagari neshabari rukumjo. Ula pentip baka ni kejing Siew kalasdang nadu kani ke North East Olympic Games kabadang syudem kabalalong hanong ba shalong. Menteri Rangba ulaong banalor bam baka Sorkar ka ayaki hisen ay ka Sorkar kan Siew ru san hajar tengka manla Bnai syakitu gibayo takmaronong bat kumbah nyaw hadu prahajar tengka si Bnai pat nakabenta gitu gibayo takmaksiar.
The purpose of this program was to felicitate the athletes and the sports persons who have made the state proud in the recently conducted Northeast Olympics, and also to congratulate and thank the sports department officials and the MSOA and the different associations that have done an excellent job in conducting the games, and it was something that was unprecedented and has really in a way raised the level of these kind of tournaments that are happening, and I hope that in the future also we'll be able to continue to make things even better and invest further in order to make sports much more better overall in the state as a whole and give the opportunity to our sports persons. Second was that we also started a program today, which is a scholarship program for our sports persons, and this is basically a monthly scholarship amount that will be sent to their account, personal accounts, and the idea is that whoever gets a medal at a regional competition or at a national competition, the government will not only give them a one-time amount but also will give them a monthly amount as a scholarship for them to support themselves and also to be able to invest in their different needs, whether it's sports or whether it's education, but it's an incentive for sports persons to do better, and this will start from these games itself. So all the medal winners who are here today, starting from say a simple bronze medal winner, will be getting 5,000 rupees per month as scholarship into their accounts. A person who has won gold medal will get about 7,000 to 8,000 rupees per month. Exact number I don't remember. And these are small amounts, but at least it will give an incentive to them to be able to continue the things that they would like to do. And we intend to, of course, look at how we can make it even better in the days to come. So it's an important day today, and I again congratulate MSOA, the sports department, and most importantly the athletes who had won the medals in the recently conducted the Northeast Olympics.